Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how TCPView automatically refreshes network connections in real time on Windows. TCPView continuously monitors your system's network activity and automatically updates the connection list whenever new connections are created or existing connections are closed. This allows you to watch network activity live without manually refreshing the window. First, open TCPView and wait a few seconds. As applications connect to or disconnect from the network, you'll notice that the connection list updates automatically. This built-in auto-refresh feature helps you monitor network activity in real time. If you ever want to update the list manually, simply press F5 or click the refresh button in the toolbar. This immediately refreshes the connection list and displays the latest network activity. Using automatic refresh makes it much easier to monitor active connections, troubleshoot network issues, and identify which applications are communicating over the internet. That's how you automatically refresh network connections with TCPView. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.